This is the Justin Dunn YouTube channel with another video of me working on my 2007 Freightliner Thomas School Bus, converting it into a livable mobile studio. Today marks day 13 of owning this school bus, and the surprises just keep coming. While working on the bus, my dad and I discovered an old VHS tape still in the VCR from the surveillance system. Talk about a blast from this bus's past. Looking back on day 12, we were able to make some major progress. I removed the front partition wall, and together my dad and I began taking down the wall panels. I even managed to get out some of the ceiling screws, though those stubborn ones are still putting up a fight. Every day gets us closer to turning this bus into a dream creative workspace. Stick around as we uncover more hidden gems and tackle the next steps on this conversion project.
You on the microphone?
No.
That bobby pin.
I don't know. I had a Robert pen earlier.
What was in that thing?
This up to the point where you can't undo it. Oh, you're right. 180 pounds on it won't do it. Or the bit's gone.
But
Kind of the bit's gone.
I haven't done that one, so just be easy and then maybe real nice and tap. You are going to loosen it. Deeper trapping muskrat chasing lumberjack. ISO 1600. Why so high?
It's dark over here.
Apparently.
She's glued down. Looks like a wooden floor.
Oh, right into that?
Yeah.
Don't ruin it.
Not ruining anything.
I'm just kidding. I mean, you know, I'm kidding, but not kidding.
Yeah,
I know you're not ruining it, but I don't want you to ruin it.
of course, the problem is going to get it out from underneath here because that screw goes through it. And I can't get that screw to move.
Bags.
Oh,
What does that mean?
some,
Which one's in, which one's out?
I don't know.
Well, how do you not know by looking at it?
It doesn't show any arrows. And it's exactly the same piping or hose.
That's true.
30 foot of hose, isn't that great?
Yeah. I gotta drain this coolant and keep it
Yeah,
so I can put it back in, because then I gotta change it eventually.
because it's special.
Did you know that diesel coolant gets electricity in it?
No,
And that's why you have to change it, is because it becomes electrified?
no, didn't know that.
Yeah.
I was told that.
Well, why would anybody tell you that? You're
Well, he's
not a diesel.
Alright.
Oh,
It's popped out. It says new.
yeah, it says new, but it's
Why do people put new on things that are going to be in there for years?
one end or the other. I don't know if that's full or empty.
Yeah.
Mobile scout system. There you go. That's what happened. No, that's those screws. Anyway, there you are.
Mm-hmm.
So we ever watch the kids?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's what's in there.
See if anything happens.
Oh, honey.
It's an empty bus. Boy, is that high quality. Woohoo!
Oh, you missed it. You can actually see the bus on there.
Look at, quick. There you go. Look at that. Check it out. Where are we?
That's back before it had tinted windows.
2008.
Right?
9/15.
That's without tinted windows. Oh, it's moving.
Okay, that's not- That wouldn't have been brand new, would it? What year is that? Did you say?
It's 2007. It's got a voltage thing on it. That's interesting. Oh, look at that. Sierra.
That tape's obviously been in there a long time, so. Sorry. What have we found? About $3 worth of.
It's rolling, by the way.
That's good. And that's why I'm working. Because that's all I want footage of. Is me working. Not my face. The hardest part with that lens and the really big aperture is getting it in focus. Is it easy? With
Yeah.
the screen size that you have?
But I just feel like you can't zoom in or out, though.
You can't. You know why? It's what they call a fixed lens. It's the only way you can get that big of an aperture and still be able to afford it. They call that a nifty 50 because it's $50.
I know, I saw how much you spent.
I know, because your Amazon account. And every time I buy some, I'm assuming like now you're getting like recommendations to buy
Yes.
tanks or RV parts, and you're like, what the?
That don't matter. I don't have a corner. It's your bus.
I know, but there's still a memory. Remember that time, Dad, when you were over here for 20 to 30 minutes, working your butt off?
So you're gonna work with my drill and I'll work with yours?
That's what's got the end. So, if you want to do, oh no, this has to be the. What are you doing?
I don't know. What do you want me to do? I was gonna.
I think we need to do drills.
Oh, okay.
But if you're gonna do,
Well, I'll drill then. Is that what you're gonna do? That's the drill?
no, my point is that we need to do, honey, do you remember me doing these at all? Okay, so let me find one that we need to drill, and then you drill it.
Okay.
This, I used a, pliers on.
Oh, so it's tight.
But I want to go through and find them all first, but I did find a bunch just now, but I was distracted by something good looking, and I just...
Yeah, I know how that goes. We almost need this
Okay,
magic marker or something.
I think we get... Oh, no, maybe not. Just a second, Dad, I'll get it. Is it rolling by the way? Okay. Keep rolling. Just a second, I'll get it, Dad.
I know. I'm waiting.
I'm gonna get it.
Okay.
I'm gonna get it. Just a second.
I'm still here.
Just a minute.
If there's any sudden movements, it's because a bug flew on you.
Okay. Well, we can edit that out.
Dang it.
Or talk over it and highlight it.
Yeah.
We got one.
You got one to drill? Which one? That the bottom one?
Bottom right, yeah. Very first one.
Alright, what's all this? You and me are gonna tangle
Cross
up here.
swords. Don't cross swords, whatever you do.
Yeah, because it'll send us into
Oh, it'll bring us into that dimension or something?
that dimension. Yeah.
Is that really what it is?
No, it obliterates time and space. And we're dead. Oh, the whole universe. And then it didn't. He lied. Well, he was mistaken. He thought it was going to be bad, but it wasn't. Dark over here, can't really see what I'm doing. Still didn't stay tight.
They did, they never do.
Okay.
Are you serious now?
Yeah, it works loose.
Ah!
So
Freaking
nobody.
light's breaking more and more every day. Oh, that just broke completely apart. That's kidding. You're saying it's not working any better?
It doesn't seem to be cutting hardly at all.
Maybe it's a ID10 error.
It's going the right way.
She wants to help.
It's just a fast connector thing.
Susie.
Hui. Alright.
Got a little toxic.
Shouldn't have said anything.
Yeah, Dad, what'd you do? You jinxed me or something.
There we go. It was cutting something. Okay, so just work my way your way.
Yeah.
Got any bit at the end. Poop.
The next one up, I guess. Where's the pliers? Are there any pliers in this one?
Pliers. You just had what
The big red ones. Hey, thinking this will just come out?
big red ones.
Oh, got it.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's one I think you had.
I just didn't think it was gonna work.
That's a wrap on day 13. We were able to get done a lot of screws and find out that every little tiny piece in this bus is pretty well rusted in place and will take twice as much effort to remove as I thought originally. Thankfully, my dad and my wife came out tonight and helped me with a lot of different odds and end things. We still got to keep pushing ahead and lots more work to be done, but as you can see, we were able to remove all of the screws from the panels, and And now we just gotta keep working on the flooring some more. But we did find a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of change, and had to use a whole bunch of different tools to get this done. That's a wrap for tonight. If you want more stories and updates about my bus build, check out my website, just10done.com, and follow me on socials. For more videos like this one, subscribe, comment down below what I missed so I can find it in next Tuesday's video. Thanks for watching.